Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss the battery equivalent for the CR2016 watch battery. This is a very common watch battery used for Timex watches, for Casio G-Shock watches, so this is going to be very useful. You usually find it online under this exact name. You might also find it under the name of DL 2016, but the most common name is going to be the CR2016. There are going to be some online under the name of 2025, so CR2025, but as you can see, they are very different in thickness. So make sure to order the exact watch battery type for your watch, because this can be used in certain G-Shock watches, but for example this one is a lot thinner, so you can even damage your watch battery or movement with a thicker watch battery. Make sure to use the correct one. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. As you can see here guys, on the table I have a bunch of watch battery types, and I'm going to make separate videos with their watch battery equivalent. Now, if that interests you guys, and if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. It helps the channel grow, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.